Hey, Auntie, baby. You done got so big. What you learned in school? Hey, Auntie. Actually, it's Happy Halloween because at school we learned about white dwarfs placed in the stellar graveyard and how sometimes they can be considered zombie stars because they be sucking up material from their companion star. And it's just a whole lot of very creepy, very Halloween-esque stuff like you just gotta learn about. A zombie star? What in the hang is that? I don't know nothing about that. This that new math. What you talking about? I don't know no, but what that is. Sure, I'll tell you. So the situation with white dwarfs is that they occur at the end of stellar evolution. They are remnant cores of low mass stars that have exhausted all their nuclear fuel, and this makes them a very dense object in our sky. So naturally, since this white dwarf is towards the end of its life, it has a companion star, and what it does is it accretes the mass through gravitational pull, which allows the white dwarf to suck up mass and accrete it onto its surface, making the core of the white dwarf smaller and smaller as it accretes more mass. So when this happens, it's like the white dwarf is a zombie or a vampire that's just sucking up this material. So you can absolutely say that this white dwarf star is coming back from the dead and it's making a name for itself. Because as the core of the white dwarf is getting smaller and smaller with accreting more mass, it eventually goes through a thermonuclear explosion, which is what supernova explosions go through. As you see here in this picture, it is a supernova explosion, and so many particles such as nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen that is present in our Earth that we have in our air, in our atmosphere, it in our bodies even. It all comes from supernova explosions and it is dispersed into our galaxy. And as we see, this is how it looks when it's in our sky. It's a very bright star. Also, it gets even creepier. Astronomers have recently discovered a related form of supernova, type 1AX, which are much fainter than 1A and occur when there's a partial destruction of the white dwarf left behind in the supernova explosion. So it's not looking like we can get rid of the white dwarf. This interpretation could mean that part of the white dwarf should survive as a leftover object. So it's very much like a zombie. Happy Halloween, everybody.